Hello students. So, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ I'll be discussing a 4 mark important question from physics. ಸರಿನಾ? So, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. I'll read it sub question by sub question. First question ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? State the Joule's law of heating. So, whenever you write any law, please make sure complete ಆಗಿ precise ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು law. You can't write it in a shortcut form. You have to keep that in mind. ಆಗಲೇ full marks ಸಿಗೋದು. So, the Joule's law of heating says that whenever a current I is passing through a conductor whose resistance is R for a given time t, then ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ heat will be developed. Then the heat developed in the conductor will be equal to ಎಷ್ಟು heat amount generate ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ produce ಆಗಿದೆ, the heat developed in the conductor is equal to the product of square of the current, the resistance and the time. So we can clearly see in the formula H is equal to the product of square of the current, which is I square, into R, which is resistance, into time T. This is Joule's law of heating. Next question ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Name any two devices where we see the application of the Joule's law of heating. ಸರಿನಾ? So there are multiple devices. Where do we come across devices where current pass ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ device ಅಥವಾ appliance heat ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? We come across a lot of devices in day to day life, like electric heater, correct, ನೀರು ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Electric iron box to iron your clothes, electric fuse, electric kettle to drink, to heat drinking water, electric toaster, bread toast ಮಾಡೋಕೆ, microwave oven. All these devices, they work on the application of what law? On the application of Joule's law of heating, because when current is passed, the appliance is getting heated up. These are some of the examples. Next question ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Why are alloys like nichrome used in electrical heating devices? ಇಂಥ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಅಲಾಯನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನಿಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹೈ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ತುಂಬ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ it will resist the flow of charges which is flowing through the nichrome. Since it is going to resist the flow of charges more and more, then what will happen? It will lead to the development of heat. Tumba bega heat generate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because it is resisting the flow of charges. That is the first advantage. Second advantage ಏನು? Nichrome will not undergo oxidation, or it will not burn very easily. ಯಾಕೆ burn ಆಗಲ್ಲ? Because nichrome alloy has high melting and boiling point compared to the metals. That's why we are using nichrome alloy. It has high melting and boiling point. Thus, because it has high melting and boiling point, it will not melt even when large amount of current is being passed. When large amount of heat is produced due to the passage of current, tumba heat produce ಆದ್ರೂ due to the passage of current, it is not going to melt. These are the advantages. So this is a 4 marks question. I'll just tell you how the split up is going to be. Law bariyakke you have 1 mark, then you have 1 mark to write any two devices, then you have to write two applications or two reasons why we use the nichrome alloy. So finally we have the 4 marks question split up in this way. Thank you.